So I placed it underneath the seat, see what goes on. Wow, that seat is smoking hot. Well, literally that seat is like, whoa, damn, that seat is smoking. Yeah, okay. What I need is something like, yeah, something simple, something like so I can extend it. How am I doing on the juice? Because I've been using the juice a bit today for Saturday Night Fever. I think that's probably about, maybe he's played for how many hours a day? Gosh, over and over a few times. Just like how they do it at cinemas back in the day, I guess. Yeah. Let's see. Of course, I've only got it tied on here with a bit of string going through here. So this bit goes on the end of the out window for the the outlet, and that end there connects on the back down there. So I just need something like just like that sort of shape, I guess, a little bit smaller to go tightly fit. And yeah, I think I could go down. I think I'll go down the hardware store, see what I can see down the hardware store. Anything similar to that, and then do it up the same way. If not, do it up the same way, then put a little bit of duct tape around there. Not a big deal. And have some tubes going around, so the smoke comes out at different areas, and it's figuring out how much smoke's getting in and then venting out more or less, I suppose, at the same time, depending on, because a tube would have to go down the middle, then you'd have to have like something going down that way, something down that way, and at the back, and maybe one or something placed at the very front, so it comes out at different. Basically, it would be slightly time delayed and come out at different time such. Yeah, that was simple. Don't know why I didn't think of that before. I mean, I had sort of been thinking about having some sort of just gazing at the air conditioner while I was being vacuum cleaning and thinking, well, it works. There it is. Bear's curiously watching. I gotta wait. Probably be better if I put some ice cubes in. Alrighty. So it's only venting a little bit round there. Wow, that seat is smoking. You enjoying it back there, Bear? He doesn't seem to mind it. It's like moving through clouds, through vapour. See what it's like on back row. Kind of looks like things like, smoking. I mean, like, like smoking like it's going to blow up. Oh, yeah, I suppose if I can have some of that fitted in the ceiling. Yeah. And I can't remember whether the ice gives it more of a kind of downward blanket kind of sort of effect due to the temperature. Actually, the effect is kind of a bit different to when I have it there, and it venting from there. Whereas here, it looks a bit more like a cloud up there now. Maybe it's, yeah, but it does stand up. Yeah, it's a little bit dense there. And, yeah, it's almost like a cloud effect above. Yes, and it does kind of taste weird. Yeah.